It's snowstorm. Everybody's at home. My son didn't go to daycare. My husband didn't go to work, and he requested a burger. My mother-in-law created the burger patty yesterday, so basically I'm just assembling it right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. And he specifically say he wants two patties. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know, I was thinking of even putting avocado, but I don't think he'll like it. So I'll keep it the way it is. Are you also the same as me? Like every time I touch something, I need to be able to wash my hands to touch a different thing again. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. So there. Oh, ketchup. Let's do some ketchup on the thing. And let's wipe this container because I do not like. We normally wash this like every evening, but since it's still gonna be used for the day, so I don't wash it yet. And that's. I hope I didn't forget anything. So, and let's put this here. We're not a vegan or vegetarian household, but my mother-in-law saw this. It was on sale. It's like a Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise or dressing. It says dressing and spread, but I mean, it's mayonnaise for me. It's gluten-free, egg-free, no cholesterol, no artificial flavors. Well, when we tried it, it actually tastes the same as a regular mayonnaise, which is actually good. Anyways, here's the burger. It's double patty. I'm not sure if he wants some French fries with it, or maybe I'll just grab some chips. Yeah, so it's basically, as I've said, it's snowstorm here we live in Montreal, Quebec, in West Island. So a lot of people closed, oh my gosh, where's my brain? A lot of school closed. A lot of employees didn't go to work. Some daycares are closed too, I believe. And my son's daycare is open, but I told the principal, you know what, I'll just keep Atlas at home because like everybody's at home, and I feel kind of like guilty him being there and like us here at home, just like spend time with the family, play with Atlas. And we're actually thinking of going out later on. Me and my husband is gonna have to shovel the snow by the driveway and by the door, and while we're doing that, maybe Atlas can play with the snow. And yeah, we actually got this thing. Wait, I'll show it to you. Let me just walk by the door, because I actually got this toy for him. Well, I don't know if it's a toy, but it's to make some snow. It's this one. It's like there's like actually different types there. There's like snowman, penguin, some, I don't know, elf. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. And this is my first time to make like a how you say this, like a day, like a morning or like day video thing of a person here on TikTok. So I don't know how to rotate the camera, but like this is how it looks like outside. Oh my gosh, it's like literally like a lot of snow right now. It's all white. I can hear, I think someone is trying to clean the street. I don't know. Yeah, I think I can see it there. Yeah, so yeah, it's still snowing, and it's supposed to snow the whole, well, it started snowing last night, and it's supposed to snow the whole day today, and the weather forecast says it's gonna be snowing again on Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, but anyways, it's gonna take a long video now, so I'm just gonna say bye.